Alright, so here we're looking at the toll booth with servo motor. We got the servo library over here, setting up everything, starting off with the gate at 0 degrees, so that when we hit start, you should see the gate kind of, or the motor kind of lock into place. Now we're at 0 degrees. Once the simulation is running, the Arduino keeps checking to see if these buttons are getting pushed. Once I push one, it's going to get, if I push close, nothing would happen, because that's just going to tell the servo to go to 0 degrees and it's already there. If I hit the open switch, that's going to tell the servo to go to 180 degrees. We hit open switch again, nothing's going to happen because it's just going to tell it to go to 180 degrees again, but it's already there. We hit the close switch and it'll go back to 0 degrees.